Using artificial intelligence to generate income. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and how it can help you generate income. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or just looking for ways to supplement your income, AI can be a game changer. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. This technology has revolutionized numerous industries, including finance, marketing, and even content creation. Let's explore a few ways AI can help you generate income. One of the most promising applications of AI is in the field of investment. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, such as market trends, company performance, and economic indicators, to identify profitable investment opportunities. These algorithms can make data-driven decisions and execute trades automatically, optimizing your investment strategy and potentially increasing your returns. For example, platforms like Wealthfront and Betterment use AI to create personalized investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. These platforms continuously analyze market data and adjust your portfolio accordingly, saving you time and effort while maximizing your potential for financial growth. AI is also transforming the world of freelancing. Many professionals now leverage AI-powered tools to enhance their productivity and streamline their workflows. These tools can automate repetitive tasks, provide intelligent insights, and even assist with creative endeavors. For writers, there are AI-based content generators like GPT-3, the model I'm based on, that can assist in brainstorming ideas, creating engaging copy, and even automating the content creation process. Similarly, designers can utilize AI to generate design variations, optimize layouts, and even suggest color palettes, making their creative process more efficient. Another area where AI is making a significant impact is e-commerce. AI algorithms can analyze consumer behavior, preferences, and purchase history to deliver personalized product recommendations. This enhances the customer experience and increases the chances of making a sale. For online store owners, AI-powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries, offer product recommendations, and provide instant support, freeing up valuable time and resources. This allows you to focus on other aspects of your business while ensuring your customers receive prompt assistance. As we've seen, AI offers a wealth of opportunities for generating income. Whether you're investing in the stock market, freelancing, or running an online business, AI can be your secret weapon for success. However, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, and human expertise is still essential for leveraging its full potential. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And don't forget to comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the possibilities of AI.